When that little light pops up on your dashboard, do you really know what it means? Most drivers don't, and ignoring just one of these warnings could cost you thousands in repairs. So today, let's decode the most important dashboard lights, what they mean, and what you should do when you see them. Section 1. The oil pressure light. Let's start with the oil pressure light. It looks like a tiny oil can, and if it turns red while you're driving, stop immediately. This means your engine isn't getting enough lubrication. Driving even a few minutes like this can destroy your engine. So pull over, shut off the engine, and call for help. Section 2. The check engine light. Next up, the check engine light. This one's tricky because it can mean anything from a loose gas cap to a major engine issue. If it's flashing, that's serious. Stop the car. If it's steady, you can keep driving carefully, but get it scanned soon. An inexpensive OBD2 scanner can tell you the exact problem before you go to a mechanic. Section 3. The battery light. If you see the battery light, it doesn't always mean your battery's dead. It usually means the charging system has failed. That could be the alternator, belt, or wiring. Your car might keep running for a bit, but it'll soon lose power, so head to a repair shop immediately. Section 4. The brake warning light. That red brake light is no joke. It could mean your parking brake is still engaged, or worse, low brake fluid or a system failure. If it stays on while driving, pull over safely and check. Never gamble with your brakes. Your life literally depends on them. Quick recap. So remember, 1. Oil light. Stop immediately. 2. Check engine. Scan it soon. 3. Battery light. Charging issue. Fix fast. 4. Brake light. Check your brakes or fluid. Your dashboard isn't there to scare you. It's your car's way of asking for help. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart car tips every week.